So using widgets, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and add in different sort of checkboxes as needed. So to do that, you can click on add element, and under widget, you can simply go ahead and type in checkbox. And once you do that, you can see that there's various checkboxes right here. For example, there's a checkbox in drop down, there's flat checkbox right here, there's button checkboxes as you can see, and so forth. So now let me just go ahead and add in pizza burger right here, just like this. I'm just going to say pizza burger, and I'm going to go ahead and say a sushi right here. Let's just go ahead and copy and paste these out right here in other fields as well. So you can see that these are the options. Let's just go ahead and add this in. Let's just go ahead and add this in right here as well. So you can see that there's different sort of checkboxes. You can see that there's button checkboxes, there's image checkboxes as you need as well. So this is something that you have. There's image checkboxes where you can add in image URLs. There's line checkboxes as you can see right here. And there's fancy checkboxes right here as you can see, just like this. There's square checkboxes as you can see. So let's add in option right here. So there's different style of checkboxes that you can actually go ahead and bring in as you can see. There's Polaris checkboxes right here. There's minimal type of checkbox as you can see, and all of them has their own style itself. So you can go for Future Rico checkboxes. There's user contributed checkboxes right here, just like this, and so forth. So there's many sort of checkboxes right here. So this is added in. There's select all checkboxes right here, just like this. There's bootstrap switch field as you can see right here, and so forth. But this is technically not a checkbox, but just on and off. But anyways, let me just go ahead and preview these out. Then you can see that there's various sort of checkboxes that you have right here. Like you can go ahead and select from a list. Check it out right here. It comes in blue color. You can go ahead and check it off right here. You can go for image check boxes. So you can go ahead and click, and then the image actually changes out. You can see that there's checkboxes cross and correct right here in a list form. You can go ahead and check this out right here, check this out right here, check this out right here, and so forth right here. There's futuristic type of checkbox, there's normal type of checkbox. You can even go ahead and add in, let's say for example, I'm going to say dumpling right here, press OK. And there's another checkbox, and you got the select all option right here, just like this. So these are the different type of checkboxes, and of course you got the on and off button as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize various checkboxes widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe